This is Matt Walsh with your Minute with the Mayor for Friday, July 10th. Thanks to Matt Walsh at the Potawatomi County Public Health. They're trying to work through the numbers that the state's not releasing anymore and trying to give us a feel for what's happened locally. So as of Thursday afternoon, the report was we had 5 new cases in Potawatomi County. Again, I think we're doing really well here. We've been in single digits for the last 15 days, except for one day that we can account for. We had a couple days in there when the state changed their reporting that we didn't get to see it, but several days of single-digit increases. We currently have 6 people hospitalized. In Council Bluffs hospitals, there are 47 adult beds available, 12 ICU beds available, and 43 ventilators, and so we have plenty of capacity. As we said, only 6 hospitalized. According to the Bureau of Economic Analysis, personal income in April surprisingly rose by 10.5%. This was despite a dramatic 10% increase in the unemployment rate. In May, spending rebounded by 8.2%. The increase in spending was largely the result of a gradual reopening of the economy during that month, but there's also little doubt that the spending increase was at least partially fueled by enhanced federal pandemic compensation unemployment benefits. One of the arguments against extending federal unemployment benefits past July 31st is that they've been too generous. So much so that they may be acting as a disincentive for people to return to work. That argument is not without merit. According to the Federal Reserve, an estimated 40% of those currently on unemployment normally earn less than $40,000 per year. At an income of $40,000, that equates to $769 per week. In a state with a program that pays $200 per week state unemployment benefits, and you add the $600 federal benefit, workers typically would be collecting $800 from the combined benefits. These enhanced unemployment insurance benefits were included in the CARES Act, and as I said, they are set to expire July 31st. Meanwhile, more than 33 million Americans currently are receiving unemployment insurance or are still waiting for benefit approval. The enhanced unemployment benefits will expire in 21 days, and it's clear that our unemployment crisis is not over. The United States House of Representatives has passed legislation that they call the HEROES Act, but currently it's unclear when we will see the Republican Senate response to that bill. But there's still an understanding between both parties that the next bill must be passed before the August recess. Senate Majority Leader Schumer and Senate Finance Committee Ranking Member Ron Wyden have released a new proposal that could tie additional unemployment benefits to unemployment rates. The bill can be seen as the Democratic solution to the issues with unemployment disincentive in reopening states. If we fail to renew the $600 per week increase, millions of American families will have their legs cut out from under them at the worst possible time, in the middle of a pandemic when unemployment is higher than it's been since the Great Depression, Schumer said. After July 31st, the federal pandemic unemployment compensation benefit under Schumer's plan will remain at $600 for all weeks until each state's 3-month average total unemployment benefits falls below 11%. Once the unemployment benefit falls below 11%, the benefit amount reduces by $100 for each percentage point decrease in the state's unemployment rate. Specifically, when a state's unemployment rate is at least 10% but below 11, the unemployment benefit would be $500. When a state's unemployment rate is at least 9% but below 10%, the benefit would be $400, and so on until it finally goes away when that state's unemployment rate drops below 6%. Equally important is the term of the unemployment. At 8.5% unemployment, there's 52 weeks of unemployment benefits. At 7.5% unemployment, that number of weeks drops to 39, and at 6.5% unemployment, it drops to 26 weeks. So let's see how the Republicans respond. Something to watch in the news. That's your Minute with the Mayor. do something kind for somebody, and wear a mask.